So it's been a really long time since I made a video, but I wanted to do an update in case anybody's curious. Thought it was about time. I'm down to 5 milligrams now, and I decided to hold at 5 milligrams for a little while, maybe like 2 weeks, just to see how I feel, because I made a mistake when I was diluting my solution, and I accidentally took too much for a couple of nights. I think that I diluted it to 6 milligrams per milliliter instead of 5 milligrams per milliliter. So I took that for 2 nights, and then when I realized what I'd done and I fixed it, I had some withdrawal symptoms the next couple of days. Mostly just hot flashes and being irritable. Those are my main symptoms, you know, just after I do a cut. I get like sweats, and I get super grr. I call it my rage. It used to be pretty ragey. Now it's more just like irritable, like I'm quick to snap. And I'm drinking my rage tea this morning. It's called Tulsi. It really calms me down. It also helps with low blood sugar. So like if I haven't eaten anything and it's taking me some time to prepare something and my blood sugar's dropping and I'm starting to like get really wound up, this will help chill that out. And what else? My teeth hurt. Like all of them. Mostly my molars, my top and bottom molars, but that's definitely a withdrawal symptom. It's very weird. I remember that my teeth hurt when I started Mirtazipine. So I know that that's why it's coming up now. I think it's really strange how a lot of the withdrawal symptoms are actually also side effects of the medication. I don't know. I hate this medication. I can't wait till it's done. I shouldn't even call it a medication. I should just call it a drug, because it's a drug. It's a cocktail of bullshit. And yes, it helped me for a few months, but probably something else could have helped me too. And I wish that I had known about something else before I took this long ass journey of coming off of something that I needed for about 4 months, because we're going on a year. I'm almost at my year mark. At the end of February will be 1 year since I started coming off of it. And I'm not even done. I have 5 milligrams left to go. And all the people on survivingantidepressants.com say that the last part of your taper is going to take the longest, because when you get to lower doses, things get harder. And I don't really understand that, so I need to do some more reading. But I'm eager to be done. And I would really like it if the last 5 milligrams didn't take another 1.5 years, because that would just be infuriating. Especially because I'm still 45 pounds overweight, which I've never been in my life. Thanks, Mirtazipine. And I guess that's it, really. I mean, things are pretty okay as far as withdrawal is concerned. My cuts have been about 3.5% to almost 4%. The last 2 were 3.6% and 3.8%. So that's more than I had been doing, and I rode those waves pretty okay. So I might start to do 4 or 5% cuts and just hold for longer. But like I said, I'm going to hold at 5 milligrams for a little while because of that screw up I made with my dilution. My prescription is 10 milligrams per milliliter, and I'm diluting it with water to 5 milligrams per milliliter, so that I can continue to use this 1 milliliter syringe and, you know, make really small decreases. So, ta-ta for now.